Recently on the channel, we talked about the benefits of having a diffuser at home. Have you watched the video yet? Did you know that it is not only our body that needs a touch of perfume? Giving a good scent to your home or a special ambiance will make your days even better. According to some studies, industrialized air fresheners can cause big damages to health, and some studies have even associated them with cancer. So in today's video, you will learn how to make an amazing natural diffuser using only fruit peels. Are you enjoying this video? Then what about giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends? You know that fruit you ate at breakfast or as a dessert after lunch? You can use these peels, which would end up in the trash, to make a delicious natural air freshener. Isn't it amazing? Learn how to make it. Write down the ingredients: lemon, orange, or mandarin peels, 1/4 cup alcohol, 3/4 cup water, 20 drops of your favorite essential oil, 1 glass container with a small opening, wooden sticks. To make your air freshener, start by putting the peels, clean and chopped, inside the glass container. Add the water and alcohol. Then add the essential oil and gently shake the bottle to mix all the ingredients. Now put the wooden sticks and place your diffuser wherever you want. And it's ready! You can spread many diffusers over your house to create a nice and welcoming atmosphere and attract good energies and a delicious smell. It is very easy and cheap to make these air fresheners. Remember to change the liquid every 30 days. It will avoid the creation of mold on your diffuser. And if you want, you can also add some aromatic herbs or spices such as basil, rosemary, cinnamon, cloves, and others. They have unique characteristics that will make your air freshener smell even better. So did you like this recipe? Do it and share your experiences with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.